So you want to fix your credit. Don't sweat it. True Truth Success Hub is here to help. They told you improving your credit take years, didn't they? Wrong. This isn't the problem. The problem is your habits. You've been paying your bills, you've been checking your score, waiting for something magically to happen. But the truth is, hope isn't a strategy. This book isn't for people who want better credit someday. It's for people who want it now. 100 points, step by step, do it yourself, and no, it's not impossible. So if you're tired of watching your interests eat your dreams alive, then welcome to the path to a better credit. Your credit comeback starts today. Let's be real. Understanding how to raise your credit score can feel like decoding a secret language that keeps changing. I know the frustration because I've been there. Trust me, I stared at the numbers, I Googled every quick fix, and I watched every credit repair video. But I've also learned from the rejection from the credit letters, the humiliation of the high interest rates, and the silence when lenders say, "You're not ready." And if you ever felt stuck, then you're not alone. But here's the reason, and here's something that I want to tell you that can help you. Okay. So this guide is your step-by-step guide. Just no fluff, no bullshit. Just things that actually work. Right? So trust me, I'm somebody that clawed my way back up to the top, and I want to help you, and I want you guys to win. So if you're tired of being confused and tired of being stuck, then let's fix that right now, right here. You want to raise your credit score fast? Then here's the real talk, okay, guys? Here's what I want you to do. Now, if you're waiting for time to fix your score, you're wasting time. It's not going to happen. This is what it takes, guys. You got to change your habits. We don't hope our credit score to get better. We have to take the steps for it to get better. One, you got to know your battlefield. Knowing your battlefield is pulling all three credit reports, not just one. You have to know what the errors are that's on them. If you got any errors, we need to dispute them. You have any collections, we need to negotiate them. Okay, we can't just ignore it. Step two, you guys need to pay down your credit cards and pay them down fast. Your utilization needs to be under 30%, and even better under 10. If you want the lenders to lean in, keep it under 10, right? Never make minimum payments. We making boss moves, so we're going to pay it down. Step three, automate your bills. The reason that you want to automate your bills is because we can't afford to have any late payments ever, not even one. A single missed payment or due date is like a punch to your credit score. So we want to set up the auto pay. We set reminders. We be predictable because lenders love that. Step four, you need to build your reputation. Even if you guys have to start over with a secured card or get it authorized, become an authorized user. We want you guys to show positive payment history month after month. Okay? We're not going to chase the 800 credit score overnight, but it takes time and we can get there. Stop applying for new credit out of desperation. Okay? I only want you guys to apply for the pre approvals. Every hard inquiry that hits your score, it dings it, okay? Every new account lowers your average history. So when you apply, don't do it emotionally. This isn't magic, it's the method. Now, this is your chance to change your mindset, right? And we got to do this with precision. Now, I want to give you guys a quick story. Story today is going to be the red carpet to red flags. The Tyra Banks credit card wake up call for Tyra Banks. Okay, so before she was the mogul with America's Next Top Model, which I like so much, and a media empire, Tyra Banks, she had a wake up moment. Now that she would never expect, nobody never expected this, despite earning millions as a supermodel. At one point, she had no credit score at all. Why? She never used credit. No cards, no loans, just cash. Sounds responsible, right? But the problem was that when she tried to buy her first home, lenders turned her away. She had zero credit history. Now, Tyra Banks, she was surprised. Seemed like she had bad credit. So Tyra admitted she felt embarrassed and blindsided. She thought that being debt free meant being financially strong, being debit free, not using cards. She thought that was a good idea, but the system, they just didn't see it that way. So here's what she did. She got strategic. What you guys need to do is get strategic. She opened up a credit card. Guys, opened up a credit card. She made small purchases. She paid them off monthly. She diversified her accounts. She built a credit mix. And then she monitored her score like a hawk, which you guys need to do at all times. Now, within months, she had a solid credit profile, and eventually she brought that home. Her story flips the myth. Having money doesn't mean having credit. Understand it, guys? And it proves that even icons have to learn the system and play it smart. Because bad credit isn't just about numbers, it's a silent tax that's on your life. Now, let me break it down, guys, and I'm going to be honest. You're paying more for everything whenever you have bad credit. If you got bad credit, you're paying high interest rates on your credit cards, on car loans, on mortgages, even small debts balloon fast. That $10,000 car now is going to cost you 15,000 when financed with bad credit. You're paying more for the same things that others get for cheaper. That's like money being stolen from your future. So we got to get the credit fixed. Okay. Now, your struggle to get approved, you want a home, if you want a car, even if you want to lease an apartment. Lenders and landlords nowadays, they judge you based on your credit score. Bad credit screams risk, and risk means rejection or either ugly terms that you don't want. Now, you become dependent or on cosigners. You don't want to do that. Always dependent on a cosigner, predatory loans, they just get so high, and then you guys are going to settle for less. All right. Now, it messes with your reputation, having bad credit. The employers nowadays even look at your credit. The insurance companies do too, whether it's fair or not. Bad credit signals instability. You could lose career opportunities not for the lack of talent, but for the lack of financial trust. Now, this traps you financially. You want to invest in a business, you want to buy real estate or generational wealth. Your credit score is the gatekeeper. Poor credit locks you out of the game. You're stuck. You're renting. You're borrowing from friends. You're delaying your dreams when you have bad credit. Now, besides the stress and the embarrassment and the missed potential that you guys is going to miss out on, we got to get it together because it's going to have anxiety. This is what it's going to do, and it's going to mess with your mental. The more financially set you are, the more emotionally balanced you are. The bottom line, bad credit isn't no big deal. It's an expensive big deal, limiting, and it's also draining. But the good news, guys, is fixable. That's why I got it. This guy made the flip to give you your power back, to raise that credit score, and to get it up 100 points. Enough waiting, enough wondering. You read the stories, you felt the frustration, you know that bad credit is holding you back. But here's the truth, you can't afford to hope anymore. You gotta make moves. Get the guide, get the blueprint. Every chapter is a step closer to your freedom. Every chapter is a step closer to you lowering your interest rates, getting better approvals, and just having a better overall financial life. Download the guide, read it, but don't only read it, I want you to apply it. Start with chapter one and let your score rise while your fears fade. Your future is waiting. So, guys, I want you to be ready for when it arrives. Thank you.